Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram videos in 2024. There is a new updates on Instagram platform, so there are different ways that you can download reels and different ways to download actual videos on the platform. So let me show you. First thing, let's jump on Instagram and try to find video that we want to download. Let's say for example we want to download this video over here, right? All we gotta do is to click on the three dots on the top right corner, and then we want to click on the second button, which is link. You just copy the link, and now after the link is copied on our clipboard, we have to go on Google Chrome and find the website that we're going to help us to download the video. In this particular example, guys, we are going to use Instagram downloader. The website is snapinsta.app. You want to click on this, then you want to paste the video that we saw. You want to click download. Usually process very fast. As you see, we're already here. That's the exact same video. This is Pharrell Williams, right? All you gotta do is to click download the video. Very easy, guys. Very simple, free. And then you can simply repurpose and do the video whatever you want. You can do a commentary, you can do remix, and then publish it back on either Reels, or you can essentially publish it on any of the other platforms, including potentially, if you again give a credit, always have to give a credit to the content creator that you actually borrow the content from. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.